Three things every HVAC technician needs to know about their HVAC company they're working for. Number one, the industry is going towards Google, Facebook, and internet. People are buying more stuff online. They're focused on those reviews. If the company you're working for is only doing word of mouth, they're probably going to get crushed, particularly if they're a smaller company, 10, 15 years in, maybe 5 years in. The second thing is Google is $1 trillion company. They're trying to put you out of business by having those reviews and focusing on that marketing. But you got $1 million companies and $1 billion companies like private equity funds that are buying up HVAC companies by the boatload. So if your company is getting bought up like that, you got to understand that those private equity funds, they do a lot of things different, but they focus on getting jobs and leads in, which as an HVAC technician, that makes a big difference for you. That's how you stay busy. The third thing is word of mouth by itself is getting hammered. If you're a company that's only doing that and you're only 5 to 10 years in, it is the worst way to go. Just consider those things as an HVAC technician.